Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning audio descriptions on and off on Sony Bravia TVs. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. This tutorial works for Sony Bravia TVs running Android TV software. To turn audio descriptions on, start by hitting the Home button on your remote. From the home screen of your TV, go to the top right and click on Settings. In Settings, go to the System Preferences section and click Accessibility. In Accessibility, select Talkback and then click Enable. Audio descriptions will now be turned on. You can turn off Talkback the same way you turned it on. From the home page of the TV, go to the Settings icon at the top right and click it to open Settings. In Settings, go to the System Preferences section and click Accessibility. In Accessibility, select Talkback, then click the checkbox to disable it. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Sony Bravia tips and tricks.